felt like I had some decent speed out there today. Is up?
Vitamins.
Oh god, let me see all your vitamins.
Well,
the camera.
I started doing a morning and a night. So this is 4 in the morning and then 5 at night.
It's unbelievable. His bathroom smells like these disgusting vitamins. The worst thing in the world.
My toilet.
All at once? Come on. Big two though, horse pills. Oh! He did it. It's January 16th. It's like 80 degrees outside, so we're absolutely going to the beach. He's naked. Please tell me why you're in a sweater.
I'm taking it off now.
I hope so.
I was still cold in the car.
No, you were not. Constant greatness. Oh my god, it's super high tide. Good luck finding the beach, boys. Tide is high today.
How'd that go? I'm out of breath.
Well, tide was way too high for that beach, huh?
Yeah, way too high.
We're moving on. Caden took us to like 8 wrong beaches, huh, bud?
Oh my god. Just because you guys didn't want to park in the recommended parking.
Woo! Away!
More open!
More open.
Salt life, bro.
We left the beach. We're back at the house. Supercross is officially started. Give me your best dance move right now. Dude. Unbelievable he would. That brings right into like I could never dress like that. It's about 8 in the morning. I'm about to go for a mountain bike ride. I got the bike loaded up. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Super windy out. We were supposed to get rain last night. We didn't really get anything, I don't think. No, it's real chunky out, but we'll give it a go. Barely. We're gonna go ride. It's super windy. Probably can't even hear me. When I'm about to start my descent, I'm gonna go down Horn Lizard. We'll see how that looks. Hopefully it looks pretty cool. I felt like I had some decent speed out there today. It's freaking windy as all hell though. But we'll kind of go and we'll see how that looks, and I don't know.